Hey everybody, so today I'm going to be talking to you guys about the Bold Instant Hair Solution. Now, the Bold Instant Hair Solution contains natural keratin fibers that are magnetically charged to stick to your balding and thinning hair spots. This is great because it instantly gives you the appearance of thicker and more healthy hair. Now, if you have any signs of thinning hair, balding spots, hair extension tracks, gray or white hair that you'd like to cover up, this is great. This will temporarily fix your problem for up to 12 hours. It is super strong. It is wind resistant, water resistant, you can work out, nothing will get rid of this, and it will come naturally off in the shower. The bold hair fibers are great to temporarily fix your problems of thinning hair or balding spots while you work on the bigger problem. This is not going to give you hair growth, but you can work on the larger problem while using this. Now let's get started and see how this works. So when you're on the Bold Hair Fiber website, you want to make sure to pick out a color that naturally resembles your hair color. I have gone for light brown over here because my hair is naturally light brown. Thanks to the dual application method, I can either shake it onto my hair or I can use the pump for a more precise look. So you want to make sure your hair is dry. Then once you have dried your hair, you can find your balding spots and gently spray . Hair loss can really affect your confidence, and that's why I love how Bold seeks to find a short-term resolution to help boost your confidence on a daily basis while you sort out a long-term solution for your hair loss problems. I love how easy it is to use my Bold Instant Hair Filler. This is amazing. It takes me just a few seconds every morning and my hair looks so much healthier and natural when using it. When my Bold Full Hair Solution is finished or nearing its end, I like to buy refills for it. So I buy a simple refill off of the website. What I love most about the Bold Instant Hair Solution is that there are no harsh chemicals that are being sprayed into your hair. Everything in here is very natural and it does not have a bad impact on your scalp and on your hair cells. There's a special limited time offer online for you to get a free bottle of Bold Instant Hair Solution. Check out boldproducts.us/offer for more.